Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll guide you through creating smooth, slow motion effects in CapCut for PC. To demonstrate, I'll be using a sample project featuring a video of a cat. Right now, the video plays at its regular speed. To create a smooth, slow motion effect, first add your video to the timeline. Then, click on the video to select it for editing. In the top right menu, click on the Speed option. Here, you'll find two main choices: adjusting the video's overall speed or using the curve setting, which allows for smoother transitions. Select the curve option to achieve a smooth, slow motion effect. This will display several templates you can choose from. For instance, a template that shifts from high speed to normal speed can add a dynamic feel to your video. You can also adjust the points, or dots, on the curve manually, which lets you control how the video transitions between different speeds. As you make adjustments, you'll see the video gradually shift from normal speed to slow motion and back. Now, let's preview the result. Starting at normal speed, the video smoothly transitions to slow motion, returns to normal speed, and finally speeds up again. And that's the easiest way to create smooth, slow motion effects in CapCut for PC. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this.